Hi everyone, this is Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and flip throughs of the new planner, the Planner Babe. So I finally got my package from the Mamby shop. I've been waiting for it. It was supposed to be delivered last Thursday, and then I'm not sure what happened, if it was the snow or the cold or what happened in Chicago, but it wasn't delivered. And then on Friday I was not at work, and Saturday the same thing, and I shipped this to my office. So finally it came today because yesterday post office was closed. So let's dig into the box. I have ordered a few of the deco pens. This one is with to-do list and those asterisks, and it says plan a happy life. It's quite pretty. This one says today is your day, and yay, and heart, and scallop, like the hot pink scallops and hearts and stripes. And we have discs or donuts, and happiness is this, and those little coffee, the blue coffee cups. So I'm not sure if you guys ever use those, but all you have to do is click and they work. And then I got the Happy Babe Accessory pack. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. The colors are very muted and beautiful. So, and then I got a set of 3 envelopes, and those you just snap in, and they're actually envelopes for your planner. I thought that was very nifty for them to be able to offer that. And then we have a package of sticky notes. And then I ordered the books, the Happy Planner sticker books. One is for the classic size, one is for the mini. And I'm going to be doing a flip through to compare those two. I also got the accessory pack and the Planner Babe planner itself. The planner cover is so beautiful. Look at the discs. And then the cover, it's very shiny. It's foiled with the purple. It's really a neat design with a minimalistic look with just a square in the middle. So there we have the first page, and then the overview of 2020 and 2021. Can you imagine? It's already an overview of 2021 as the following year. And let's put this on the side so we can focus on the planner. I'll do a quick flip through for all of you guys so you can take a look. We have the perpetual calendar, as in all of the new 2020 planners. And we start with January, and it doesn't have a currently page. It just has a regular page. And then start with January, and it seems like there's a yellow to-do list on the side, as well as a yellow calendar on each weekly in the top corner. So that'll be interesting. And then we have February. Look at this divider. How beautiful is this? It's foiled, it's embossed. It's this beautiful purple lavender. It's really great. I mean, they did a fabulous job with this. So, and then we have March. This is my first impressions. As you saw, I just opened the box with you guys, so I didn't know what to expect, so I'm just flipping through and trying to see. But let's start from the beginning of the planner, and I'll give you guys an actual flip through. So again, this is the divider, then the yellow checklist, and then the yellow calendar in the corner. And then we have February, and it's actually this light pink, almost peach-like. And then the same thing for the calendar in the top. This is March. So I'm just going to continue to flip through all of these. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing a flip through of the stickers for you, and I'll do the classic and the mini side by side. So if you're on the fence which one to get, you can see for yourself and decide. So we will do side by side. So the end of the stickers in this planner seem to be the same except for the colors. So one is completely gold, the other one is white and colored, and one is foiled, one is not. And then the second page is reversed. The classic one is colored with white text, and then the mini is with gold foil on the color. Next up is my sticky notes. It's a set of sticky notes. Let me open these up and show you guys what they look like. So here we go. Those are all the sticky notes. And they are the dashboard, so you can just pop them into your planner, which is quite nice. Those will be very useful. Now we're going to open those envelopes and see what they look like. I'm sure they're very adorable. I never had envelopes from Happy Planner, so these are my first. Oh, look at that. That's Planning is My Jam envelope. That's so cute. That matches that, I think, July or December, whichever it was. And then this stripe one, which is so beautiful as well. It's like a rainbow stripe. And then of course the planner discs. All of them are quite gorgeous. And the disc one is see-through, as you can see. Okay, so those are the envelopes. Next up, we have the accessory sticker book. So what that means is on one side you have sticky notes and note pages and etc. And on the other side you have stickers that match the colors of the planners. They're not necessarily the same stickers as you have in the main books. But look how versatile these are as well. It has today, important, appointments, focus, remember, to-dos, and it has so many boxes, and it seems like it's a really well-made accessory book that if you needed to plan with just that, you absolutely more than could. And then it seems like they added everybody's favorite sticker book, which is the colorful boxes, the first one that came out. It seems like they took some colors and made some new colors and added those into this book, which is really exciting because it seems like every single spread I use, these boxes are very similar boxes. It seems like this page is taken out of the Essential Planning book with the trackers and everything. And then this again is, it seems like it is from the colorful boxes. This is the checklist in between. And that's the last page of the accessory book. It's stuck to the back of the accessory book. So let's close that up. And then last but not least is the accessory pack. And the accessory pack has sticky notes, has those two sticky notes that you see. It has a dashboard that you can see in a folder and one sheet of Planner Babe stickers. It comes with 2 folders, and that's just a protective layer, and it's so hard to take off because it's attached to the disc cutout. And you get 2 folders, and you get some accessory or additional filler paper. Unfortunately, it seems like my paper is creased, but I mean, what can you do? So, and that's pretty much it. That's all I got, and I'm very, very excited to share this with you guys. It is such a beautiful collection that Happy Planner has made for us. Please let me know down below if you have purchased anything from this collection for yourself. I'm very interested in what everybody is thinking about this collection. I actually love the weekly neutral layouts that they have made. However, the monthly could be even less colored for me. I use the monthlies as well, so it could even use even a little bit less color, but I will take what I can get. This was already a big win for us. So let me know if you did purchase anything. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by clicking the like button, and please let me know if you would like me to make any videos. I have most of the stickers. I think I have about 90% of the stickers that have ever came out. So if you have a particular sticker that you're struggling with and you want me to make a video, please leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to do that for you guys. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!